Today, I'll show you how to turn your regular voice into a Santa Claus voice.
Perfect for holiday themed videos, festive reels, and Christmas greetings.
Let's get started. First, import your video clip or voiceover into CapCut. Tap on the clip to select it. We'll be modifying the audio inside it. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Audio Effects. Once you're inside, select the Voice Characters tab. Here, scroll through the available character filters and look for Santa. Tap on it, and instantly your audio will change.
It gains that deep, warm, cheerful tone that sounds just like Santa Claus. You can preview it right away to hear how it fits your video. If needed, you can fine tune your clip's volume afterward. But the preset does most of the transformation automatically.
And that's it. Your voice is now transformed into a jolly Santa Claus voice inside CapCut Mobile. Use it for Christmas skits, holiday wishes, or to add some fun character personality to your edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tips.